Hello everyone and welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas, and today is day 8. If you've been following us around, watching our videos, commenting on our videos, I just want to give out a big thank you to all of you who have done so. I truly do appreciate it. I have been loving reading all of your comments. I don't reply back because when I pick a winner, it's going to be through the comments. The only people I've been commenting is if you have a question. Other than that, I've just been reading them and that's about it. So I suggest you comment on all of our videos because you just don't know what video it is we will pick and draw the winner from there. Alright, so for this project, I have created something that has been on my bucket list for a very long time. This is something that I learned in the very beginning of my crafting career, and I'm talking about like almost 10 years ago. I went to CHA and I was just fascinated when these ladies were decoupaging onto candles and they were using napkins, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. And that was the only time I ever did that, and 10 years later here I am again doing this, but this time I am using digital images. And of course, I have to use the Polkadoodle images because they are just so cute, you guys. Now that I'm thinking about it, it would have been nice if I would have done like a background, also wrapped it all around. That would have been pretty neat, but it's okay. Honestly, I wanted to make something that was super quick and easy. And if you continue watching, I do have like a tutorial slash really quick process video on how I did this. But I will also have a link to the lady that I followed. I thought she did an amazing job explaining everything. And of course, she does a much better job than I do. She actually used pictures of, I believe they're her grandkids. And I thought that was a really cute idea for gift giving. But like I said, I love my Polkadoodle images. So of course I was going to use that. Here is what I came up with. It also includes the sentiments. And I thought this was just so cute, you guys. And look how it looks really good, I think. So all it needs is a cellophane bag. You can add a bow and it is ready for you to give away. So imagine also using a picture of your pet. I think that would be so cute. So that's my project. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you make any of my projects that I've been making in this series, please let me know. I would love to see what you make in case you share it on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and next up is Elizabeth Garza. Have a good day, everyone. Bye. Hello everyone, so I thought I would give you a quick process video or tutorial on how I made this candle. Now you can personalize this with any image you like. You can even add a photo. So I printed these images onto tissue paper, you know, this good old tissue paper. And this tissue paper is from Dollar Tree. The parchment paper I'm going to use, and the one that they advise for you to use, is this non-stick, and this is also from Dollar Tree. The candle right here, both of these candles are from Dollar Tree, so everything is from Dollar Tree. And of course, my images are from Polkadoodles. On each of my images, I added like a sentiment. This one says joy, and I added that bow that says Christmas greetings. The other one says blessings, and in this one I added Christmas wishes at the bottom. This is what makes digital images really neat, because you can layer them however you want. So unfortunately, I don't have how I printed these out, but I will insert pictures and what it looks like. So pretty much what you do is you get an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, copy paper. I use copy paper. And then I got tissue paper and I wrapped it around. And in the back, I taped it up with washi tape. And make sure everything is as flat as possible so that it doesn't jam up in your printer. once it printed out, I removed it. I removed the copy paper, and it should look something like this. And then I cut these, all 4 of these out. So this is how I layered them onto my paper. And now the next step I'm going to do is, so all I'm going to do is just make this image. Let me see, actually, which one? I really want to use this one. Yeah, I'll use this one. I really want to use this one. So all I'm going to do is just cut this up, just make it a little bit smaller, because I don't want all of that excess of tissue paper. And you can see that my cutting is not the greatest. It is horrible. And it's okay, it doesn't matter. So you're also going to need a heat tool. Now, a lot of people have said that they like to use a blow dryer, but that is up to you. I have just a heat tool, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And you're going to get some of your parchment paper and make sure it's long enough for you to wrap it around and for you to be able to hang on to it. I'm going to place my image to where I want it to be, and that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to get my parchment paper. I'm going to lay it over it. And if you can see, I have it at this, I have, you know, a lot of extra, and that's where I'm going to hold on to it. I'm sorry if this is loud. And here is what that looks like. So I'm trying to make sure it's all smoothed out. Now what I'm going to do is, with my heat tool gun, I'm going to place it onto my image, and you'll see it. It'll look, I think it'll look like it's wet, and that's when you know it has pretty much melted onto the candle. So I'm going to turn off the volume, and hopefully you're able to see what I'm doing. So you should have been able to see that it looks somewhat wet. I'm going to wait just a few seconds before I remove this paper, and make sure that when you peel it off, try to peel it off carefully, just so that, you know, the tissue paper doesn't come off, and you want to make sure that it is very well sealed, you know, melted onto that candle. So let's go ahead and do that and show you what that's going to look like. Oh, it looks really, really good. Look at that. And there is my candle. And there it is, you guys. And I think that looks really neat. So here are my 2 candles. You can see that one of them is much whiter than this one. This one looks like this one is scented and this one is not. But they're both from Dollar Tree. And here are my 2 candles. It looks, you can barely see the tissue paper on this one. This one you can see it more. I wonder if it's because of the color. So you can see it right there. But it's okay. I'm pretty sure that if I really try to smooth it out and try to melt it, I'm pretty sure it'll work. It'll be fine. And that is my project for today, you guys. Now all you gotta do is just make a pretty box if you like, or put it in clear cellophane bags with the tie a bow on it, and these are ready to gift. And imagine if you were to put like a picture of someone or your pet's portrait on here. That will look so cute. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye everyone.